Hello guys, this is Ruben Raj. Welcome to Laravel Tutorials, Lesson 5. In my previous videos, I have shown how to create tables and how to add new column to the existing tables using migrations. So if you haven't watched that video, you can just go back and watch my previous videos about migrations. And in this video, I am going to show how to rename an existing column name in the table. For that, I'm going to consider this column, and the column name is phone number. Now I want to change this phone number to mobile number. I want to change the name of this column name. For that, first we need to create the migration file, and in the migration file we need to write code to change the we need to write code to rename the column name. For that, I need to execute this command php artisan make a migration file, and the migration file name will be rename phone number in customers table, and I need to give the table name, and the table name is customers, and execute this command. So it said I created a migration file for you, and I'm going to open the newly created migration file. If you see this migration file, it have created the template for us. So now we need to write only the code to rename the column name. So we are taking the table, and we are saying that rename column, and we need to specify two parameters for this function. One is the old column name, and the second parameter will be the new column name, and the old column name is phone number, and the new column name will be mobile underscore number. And in the down function, I need to do the reverse operation. If you don't know, if you doesn't know why I'm doing this, you can just go to my previous video and check why we need to do that. And here I am just reversing the operation. So whenever you do rollback, this down function will get executed, and it will change the column name from mobile number to phone number back. But now we are not going to do the rollback operation. Now we are going to do only the migration. So we need to concern only about this. So I save this file. Now I'm going to migrate this file so that the changes will get reflected in the database. PHP artisan migrate. But before you rename some column names, or before you rename table names, you should install package called doctrine/debal. So before before migrating this file, I'm going to install the package using Composer, and you should do this before you rename before you rename table name or column name. Composer require doctrine/debal, and this command will install the package for you, and it will add the dependency in the composer.json file. So it found the package, and it's installed the package to our project. Now we are good to migrate the new migration file. So now I'm going to migrate using PHP artisan migrate. So it says I migrated the file. So now we can go and check the column name. So you could see here it changed the name of the column from phone number to mobile number. So you can do this using this function called rename column. And if someone want to change the type of some column, they can use a function called change, and I'll show a demo how to do that. Here we can consider the mobile number. The type of mobile number is a varchar, but I don't want this to be a varchar. I want this mobile number as an integer. So I'm going to change the type of this column name to be integer. For that, we need to create one more migration file, php artisan make migration, and the file name will be change mobile number type in customers table, and the table name is customers, and it created a migration file for us. I'm going to open the migration file. Again, we got the whole template in the migration file. Now we need to write code to change the data type of this column. So I'm going to take up the table, and I'm going to say I want this mobile number as integer, and it should be, sorry, not integer, we are going to change it as integer, and the column name is mobile number, and it should be unique. It's already unique, I think. Yeah, it's already the column is already unique, so I'm not going to give the column modifier again. And here we need to add this function called change. So what it will do is it will change the type of this column from varchar to integer. And in the down function we need to do the reverse operation, because it will be helpful for rollback operations. So here you are changing string to integer, so in the down function you have to write the reverse operation, like from integer to string. Now I'm going to execute this migration. PHP artisan migrate. So it said I migrated the migration file. Now we are going to test. I'm refreshing the page, and you can see here before it was varchar. Now after the migration it changed the mobile number data type to integer. So using these commands you can using the rename column function you can rename the column name, and using change function you can change the type of existing column. And yeah, that's it for this lesson. And in my previous you can go and check out my previous videos also, and in my future video I'll show how routes and controllers works in Laravel. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you like this series you can subscribe to my channel. I'll post more videos about Laravel. And thank you guys, thank you very much for watching this video. See you on next video.